how to show or hide the number row in Google Keyboard or Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then from the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, scroll down, and in here you can tap on keyboard settings or tap on keyboard list in default, then tap on Gboard. From here, tap on preferences, then tap on number row, tap on the toggle button to add in the number row to Gboard or to hide it. So here, if I turn it on, you can see if I go to my text here, and if I bring up my keyboard, there is a number row at the top. And if I switch it off, the keyboard will get refreshed. And now this time when I bring up the keyboard, it does not show the number row. However, I still can insert a number by pressing and hold on the top row key. So here, if I want to insert number 6, I can press and hold, and that will allow me to insert number 6. So that will give you some screen space if you remove the number row from the keyboard. And that's it. So you can turn it on or off in settings in here. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.